y'all see everybody. Y'all see I'm still at it. Still on the same stuff, man. Today I got a Grizzly 660. I actually recently did the top end on this. It's got a brand new head. I don't know if y'all can see it from the bottom, but it's got head studs in it. You see that one bolt right there? That's what kind of is all through the head studs. Right now, we're going to replace this oil pump chain. I just don't like that. That's entirely too loose for me. I can't send that. And it's just a matter of time before it bounces off here. But and we had a broken keyway, man. A broken keyway. It kind of destroyed the starter clutch froze, and of course, when the starter clutch froze, it disengaged the starter, and it had to go somewhere, man. Luckily, it didn't break a starter gear or nothing like that, but, man, I'm going to try to start making some more videos, dude. I've just been so busy, but we got a bunch of interesting stuff coming up. Man, I got a Raptor 660 hybrid build, the RM 250, old school RM 250 that we did a CR motor swap on, and we got a 95 RM 125 big wheel that we're rebuilding. But man, I'm gonna get y'all some pictures. Y'all stay tuned.